Sometimes it can seem like the system is rigged in favor of rich people. No matter what we do, all the money seems to be going to them. The wealth gap debate has gotten so heated within recent years that many people are advocating for a mass redistribution of wealth or for a complete overhaul of our economic system. So, is the system inherently broken, or are the rich just doing something differently that we can learn from? Welcome to Mindnificent. In today's video, we're going to go through the reasons for why the rich keep getting richer and why money seems to always go to them. Click that subscribe button if you want to be smarter with money and learn all the things about getting rich. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Before we delve into the things that rich people do differently, it's important to understand some fundamental economics. When people claim that money always flows to the rich, they often have the misconception that people like Jeff Bezos constantly have their bank accounts filled with hundreds of thousands of dollars every second, when in reality, this isn't true. When we say that someone has amassed a lot of wealth, what that typically means is that they own a lot of assets, typically stock, that is spread out among a variety of different business ventures, and the money they have is a representation of what they would have if they sold all of their assets. Now that we've got that cleared up, let's talk about the 10 reasons that money always flows to the rich. Number 1. They believe that starting a business is the best way to make money. A common belief of the middle class is that running a business is incredibly risky. This is understandable. You always hear about how many small businesses fail within their first year, and it always seems like the potential profits you can make from starting a business are overshadowed by the risks and potential losses. This is where rich people differ. They view every potential business as an opportunity and accept the risks involved, but don't get scared off by them. Steve Seibold, a self-made millionaire, says, "The truth is, having a job is no safer than owning a business. As counterintuitive as this may seem, people who work for themselves have the power to proactively seek out business and increase revenues at will. While rich people launch businesses and make immense profits from them, the average middle-class worker is happy to sit back and accept the stability of a steady paycheck, dealing with the opportunity cost of not starting a business and potentially earning a fortune." Number 2. They understand the importance of a team. Many people like to think that billionaires amass their wealth by themselves and a whole lot of luck. While any billionaire would be lying to you if they said they weren't lucky, they would also be lying to you if they said they became rich by themselves. The people that are truly at the top understand the importance of building the right team to leverage their actions and ideas to amass a greater overall fortune. The rich man understands that the value of a team is greater than the sum of its parts. They realize that one of the most important factors on your net worth is who it is you surround yourself with, not just how lucky you are. Number 3. They view the process of making money as simple. As a member of the middle or lower class, it's easy to think that the complex economic and commercial strategies that go into running a business are daunting and completely inaccessible to the average person. The common thought is that rich people are necessarily smarter and more educated than the average person, which just isn't true. With the right mindset, you understand that money is generated from effective ideas and problem solving. The more effective and impactful the solution is, the better the profit is. This isn't to say that making money is easy. It's actually incredibly difficult and it'll take a lot of effort, but it is simple. Many people view the act of getting rich as an impossible task for the average individual, and it is this belief alone that limits them from getting rich. In a sense, it's a self-fulfilling policy. Number 4. They understand that money is generated through working smarter, not harder. The middle-class idea is that money is earned through hard work and labor. The common misconception is that the only way to earn money is to just work harder, which is a fallacious ideology that is based in linear thinking. Rich people understand earning money in non-linear terms, believing that the most important skill to generate wealth is not a strong work ethic, but a creative and efficient mind. Many large companies were founded with the intent of solving very specific and niche problems. If you can train your mind to identify these difficult problems and come up with effective solutions, you may find yourself with quite a sizable net worth. Number 5. Rich people focus on working for their personal fulfillment. The typical poor ideology is that you should only work for the intention of getting money. Talk to any rich person and they'll tell you that this is the worst philosophy to apply to your career. You shouldn't look for jobs that offer the highest salary. You should put your self-fulfillment first. Why? Because if you are in a career that you know you can care about, you'll have no issue with dedicating nearly all of your time to it. It's much more profitable to put yourself in a career that you know you can grow in, potentially to an executive role where you can start to seriously earn some cash. Look ahead to 5 years after you accept your job. Do you think you'll do better in the position that offers a higher salary or the one that you know you'll be able to dedicate your heart and soul to? The people that tend to earn the most in their field are the people that become one of the most competent in their industry, not the people that view the purpose of their career to immediately go for the highest salary. Number 6. They view money as a tool and opportunity, not a symbol of oppression. The average rich person understands that money is a great tool to, as it happens, make more money. They reinvest the profits of their business so they can generate more money and minimize income tax, and look for optimal assets to acquire so that their company can operate more efficiently and profitably. In contrast, the working class view of wealth is that it's a tool of an oppressive class, subsequently demonizing it and acting like it's not important or necessary. It's obvious why, with an ideology such as this, the middle class struggle to make money, when they view money as evil and something that they don't actually want. If you want to be successful and amass a high amount of wealth, you need to stop viewing money as something you only use to pay for rent and utilities, and rather as a tool that can recursively generate you a higher net worth. Number 7. The rich believe that they earn their money. The common belief of the masses is that the rich earn their money through complete luck and without any talent or skill, that it is a privilege to be rich and not a right that is earned. The belief of the modern day is that all wealth is like the lottery and has nothing to do with the person who has it. The leading class understand that as they pursue wealth, they're creating massive value for others, not oppressing them or abusing their privilege. Obviously, if you hold the belief that the amount of money and wealth you have is determined completely by luck, you're never going to invest a lot of your time into maximizing your potential earnings. Hold the belief that all of your money is earned, and you'll find yourself having no issue working long hours and investing a lot of your time into seeking out potential business and investment opportunities. That's all the time we have for today. Are you going to start following any of these tips? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please let me know by clicking that subscribe button and bell notification button, because more magnificent content is on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.